So let's talk about obesity in today's episode. Obesity is becoming a major concern, especially in our country, and today our country is the third country in the world that has the most highest number of obese individuals, which puts our country in a major obesity crisis. Obesity is no longer just a mere cosmetic or an aesthetic concern, but it is a major medical problem as well, because it can mean that either you have an underlying medical problem that is causing your obesity, or if you do not have healthy lifestyle habits, it can mean that it will go ahead to create bigger problems in your life, like diabetes type 2, like heart problems, fatty liver, and other such problems. So what exactly is obesity? Obesity is a complex disease that involves having too much body fat. But how much is too much? How do you know if you are obese, or if you are just overweight, or if you are in the borderline, or how exactly do you know? So technically there's something known as the body mass index, and that is what tells you if you are obese or healthy or overweight. So if your body mass index or your BMI is less than 25, then you are said to be of a healthy weight. If it is between 25 to 30, it means that you are overweight, in the borderline. And if you are 30 and above, then you are said to be obese. Now, it is very simple to calculate your body mass index. You all can do so just sitting in your homes. Of course, Google nowadays has it all out for you. So how exactly do you calculate your body mass index or your BMI? I'll show you how. So to know how you can prevent a particular disease, it's important you know the causes, right? So let me tell you a few causes of obesity so that you know how to prevent it. So we can divide the causes of obesity into two major categories, one being poor lifestyle habits and one more being underlying medical conditions. So let's discuss about poor lifestyle changes first. So there are four most important aspects of poor lifestyle habits that you must change immediately. So number one being lack of physical activity. Now, lack of physical activity paired with a lot of screen time, something that we all do today, sitting in front of computers for long hours, or be it playing video games for long hours, watching TV for long times, can all increase your BMI and thereby can make you obese. So here's the deal. So adults are supposed to have at least a minimum of 150 minutes of proper physical activity in a week. So 150 minutes meaning 2.5 hours of proper physical activity in a week. And children, as far as children are concerned, it is said that children should have at least 60 minutes of proper physical activity again in a day. Because physical activity in children is important, not just so that they don't tend to become obese, but also so that they have proper developmental skills and they can carry forward this into their adulthood as well. The second one is unhealthy eating habits. Now there are three most unhealthy eating habits that can cause obesity. Number one is eating more calories than your body requires. Number two is eating too much saturated fat. And number three is eating food that is high in sugar. So let's discuss about eating too many calories. Now, I know we all would love to live to eat, but it is wise to eat to live, because if you eat more calories than your body actually requires, then again it can add to your body mass index and it can make you obese. So the number of calories you need depends on a lot of factors like your age, your gender, and it depends most importantly on the kind of work that you do and the kind of physical activity that you get in a day. So according to the ICMR, there is a particular table that tells you how much calories you require per day. So the number of calories you require depends on a lot of factors, some of which include your age, your gender, and it also most importantly depends on the kind of physical activity that you get in a day. So I will be sharing with you all the table according to the ICMR that tells you how many calories you will require according to your age, your gender, and according to the kind of physical activity that you get in a day. So it will be in the description box. Go and find your link there.